Listen to part of a lecture in an archaeology class.
Unlike wood, gourds, metal, stone, and leather, clay can be molded into almost any shape. Many ancient potters often worked with clay, since it offered endless possibilities to the skilled artisan. The ancient Greeks made pottery from clay, but their techniques in painting the pots and vases with clay were particularly distinguishable. After the clay was made into a desirable shape of a pot, it was burnished and polished before it was hardened out. Burnishing allowed the surface of the pot to be smoothened, with tools like wood and stone that were tough enough for the clay to endure scratches. The painter then sketched the outlines of figures he wanted to paint, which mostly included humans, animals, and geometric patterns. Then, slip, which is a mixture of clay and water, was applied to the surface of a pot, either by dipping the entire pot in it, or by painting it on with a brush. This slip produced the characteristic of red and black colors, uniquely found in Greek pottery. After the slip had dried, the painter added details with other colors that were painted over the darker slip. The difference in color between the clay of the pot and the clay of the slip created intriguing decorations. The clay in Athens contained large amounts of iron, surprisingly in the form of rust. So the iron combined with the oxygen in the air gave the pot a deep red color as it went through the oxidizing phase during the firing process. Just like the potters of today, the potters of ancient Greece fired their clay in ovens called kilns, which were either left opened or closed during the firing process.
Question 1. In the lecture, the professor describes how Greek pottery is made. Put the steps in the correct order. Drag each answer choice to the space where it belongs. One of the answer choices will not be used.